Get excited about the 2019 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.